Okay, so for us to determine the total mass or original mass uh, or the whole milk, uh, then we need to determine this x. Okay, this weight of this fat here. Since um, since we are all about fat and there is a given value here in our whole milk or the material input or the initial composition, it has it contains 4.5% fat. So let's use this percentage to determine the value of our x. Okay, so we have our whole milk contains 4.5% fat. Okay, so um, originally our if we go back here, originally our whole milk, this 4.5% here, this 4.5% fat is the combination of this 0.1% plus this fat that is being removed. So all in all, this 4.5% here is the combination of the two. So the original mass of fat from our whole milk is the mass from skim milk, which is 0.1 kilogram plus our x, right? This part here, the combination of these two. The 0.1%, which is, we use the basis of 100 kilogram, that's why we've come out with 0.1 kilogram, and plus this part here. Okay, so all in all, the initial fat mass is about 0.1 kilogram. This is from our skim milk plus the fat that is being removed. Okay. Okay. So we have here another equation. Okay. Okay. And to determine the value of x, we can now use the fact that our whole milk contains 4.5% fat, meaning the fat, the mass of fat over the total mass of the milk gives the percentage of fat for the whole milk. Okay, this is our whole milk. This is 4.5%, right? Or we can write this as 4.5% fat is the ratio of the fat, initial mass of fat from the total mass. Okay, wherein our initial mass of fat is 0.1 kilogram plus x, and our total mass of whole milk is 100 kilogram plus x, right? So based from here, we can now calculate the value of x. So let's convert this to a percentage. So we have here times 100%. Okay, so all in all, using algebra, we have 0.045 multiply by this part here, 100 kilogram plus x is equal to 0.1 kilogram plus x. Okay, so combining getting the value of x, we have, so you can do the algebra here, and if we calculate the value of x here, we can now have a total of 4.6 kilogram. Okay, so solve this using this equation. Okay, did you get it? The 4.6 kilogram. Again, this is our whole milk. So we says that the total milk is the combination of this skim milk and fat. That's why we come up with the this skim milk is 100 kilogram plus the fat, that is x. So this is our whole milk or original milk. Okay, and then we've used this percentage to compute the value of our x by using the constituent or the component of fat only, that our original fat is about this one plus this one. So we have original fat is 0.1 kilogram 0.1 kilogram plus our fat that is being removed. So to compute for the percentage, we've only used this initial fat divided by the total weight of the whole milk, right, to get the percentage of 4.5%. Okay, so we use this equation. So to get the percentage of fat, percent fat is equal to the mass of fat from the total mass of milk. Okay, so after doing that, we've come up with the value of x, which is 4.6 kilogram. So we've already determined the fat, which is equal to x, which is 4.6 kilogram. Okay, so from here, since we've already determined the value of our fat, we can now determine the original mass. Okay, so we have 100 kilogram plus x, which is 4.6 kilogram. So all in all, we have 104.6 kilogram. This is our whole milk, right? So once again, our basis here is 100 kilogram, and then we need to add this to balance our initial or original milk, which is our term here is whole milk. Okay, so once again, this whole milk is the combination of these two, the 100 kilogram plus 4.6. So all in all, the weight or the mass of this whole milk is 104.6 kilogram. Okay, so we have this 100.6, and since we've already determined the total weight or original weight of our milk, then we can now also determine the the mass of fat. Okay, so since our fat here is 4.6, our total fat is 4.6 plus 1 kilogram, right? So I'm sorry, where are we? Okay, so this, we can also now solve for this one. So our original fat is 0.1 kilogram plus 4.6 is equal to 4 point, 4.6. 4.7 kilograms. So initially, the fat content of whole milk is 4.7 kilogram, right?